Meet the ABIR X6PRO robot vacuum cleaner. Smart Eye system uses advanced visual navigation to map and navigate your home with precision and accuracy. 6,000 pascal strong suction delivers powerful deep cleaning, effortlessly picking up dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from hard floors and carpets. Software Virtual Wall lets you set no-go zones and restricted areas easily through the app, keeping the robot away from carpets, pet bowls, and off-limit spaces. Wet and dry mopping function sweeps and mops simultaneously, leaving your floors spotless and shiny in one efficient pass. App control allows you to start, stop, schedule, and customize cleaning modes from anywhere with real-time status updates. Auto self-charging returns the robot to its dock automatically when battery is low, so it's always ready for the next clean. Smart sensors detect stairs and drop-offs, preventing falls and ensuring safe operation in every room. Ultra-slim design glides effortlessly under sofas, beds, and low furniture to reach hidden dust and dirt. Long-lasting battery provides extended runtime, covering large homes on a single charge. Strong climbing capability easily navigates thresholds, rugs, and small obstacles without getting stuck. Quiet cleaning technology ensures minimal noise, so you can run it anytime without disturbing family or pets.